Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to quickly reconcile a failed payment in QuickBooks Online with Stripe integration. Step 1. Identify the failed payment. Log into QuickBooks Online, go to the customer transaction, and check the failure reason from Stripe. Step 2. Verify payment details. Ensure the customer's card or bank info is correct and the payment method is active. Step 3. Update transaction if needed. Correct any errors in the payment record or invoice details. Step 4. Retry the payment. Use Stripe to reprocess the payment and ensure it's applied to the correct invoice in QuickBooks. Step 5. Confirm reconciliation. Check QuickBooks to make sure the payment now matches the invoice correctly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more quick QuickBooks and Stripe tips.